I've been using the EufyCam S330 for over a year now, and here's my review. This camera is packed with features such as 4K resolution, built-in solar panel, color night vision, an IP67 weatherproof rating. It has facial recognition along with pet and vehicle detection, and so much more. First, let's talk about Homebase 3. The best thing about having the Homebase 3 is having no monthly fees. It has to be connected to your internet router via a wired connection. Right now, there is no ability to connect your router to the Homebase via Wi-Fi. It has 16 gigabytes of internal storage, which can be upgraded to 16 terabytes if needed. If you have an extra 2.5-inch SATA hard drive, which is a laptop size hard drive, be sure to use it in the expandable storage slot. I used a 1 terabyte hard drive that I added, which was plenty for my needs, with 3 S330 cameras connected. If you have other Eufy products, make sure you check the compatibility list to make sure they connect with the Homebase 3. The software is easy to use and setup is a breeze. Adding new products or cameras is really easy. The software does not feel clunky at all, and I love how fast the clips load when you want to be able to view them. Eufy has Bionic AI, which gets better over time. You can use the camera footage to train and recognize faces. For example, I don't want to get motion alerts when the camera senses me, so with the help of Bionic AI, it detects who I am and cancels the alert. In my testing, it takes anywhere between 3 to 7 seconds to get a notification. Here are some recommended settings that I use. When you have the cameras in the exact position you want, make sure to turn on anti-theft detection. If the camera is moved from the location, the alarm is triggered. It can be set so the alarm plays from the camera and Homebase 3 station. I have my detection settings set to medium sensitivity. If you have a camera that's higher up on your property or that's further away and you need to adjust the sensitivity level, you can do that in the app, but I find the medium sensitivity works best for me. I like to turn on the human detection, vehicle detection, and pet detection. One thing to note is the vehicle and pet detection are still in beta even after a year. As of right now, the pet detection works way better than the vehicle detection. If there's a car parked further away from your property, then it could be a hit or miss for the vehicle detection. But if it's parked on your driveway, you will definitely get a notification. For the recording quality, I definitely set it all to Ultra 4K. I don't go down a level down to 2K because I just don't think it's necessary. You have these amazing 4K cameras and you might as well use them. I've never had any issues with the battery and I've never had any issues with storage space. And again, I have a 1 terabyte hard drive and I have 3 S330 cameras all set to 4K. Under power management, the default mode is set to optimal battery life, but I recommend using customized recording and setting the clip length to 120 seconds and set the null time to 5 seconds. Because these cameras are only motion activated, I want to get as much footage out of these cameras as possible. I've had these cameras for over a year and I haven't had to charge them yet. The solar panels on the cameras just need 2 hours of sunlight per day to charge the camera. You can check your battery status in the app. I get motion alerts on average 3 times an hour and the camera is recording clips at 120 seconds. The 4K recording is one of the best I've tested for 4K cameras during the daytime. You get a lot of details when cropping into the footage. The camera's facial and pet detection blew me away with its accuracy in daytime use. Where the camera suffers is in the nighttime. The color night vision has some ghosting issues. I would just stick to IR lights when using this camera at night. From my testing, in the night, its pet and facial recognition drops down to about 60% accuracy. Motion detection is around 90%, 20 feet away, and is pretty much perfect when closer. The speakers on the S330 camera are not the best, but they definitely get the job done. You'll hear everything loud and clear 10 feet away from this camera. These cameras won't be an all-in-one solution, but combined with another Eufy camera that has 24/7 recording, this would be a great addition to your home security. But I do have a solution for Eufy to make this a 24/7 continuous recording camera. My solution is really simple. If Eufy were to offer a USB-C cable that is weatherproof and plugs into the back of the camera, you could activate continuous recording from the app settings. This simple solution could make this the best camera option for almost everyone. You can see that there's plenty of room on the back of this camera where the USB-C plugs in to create a perfect weatherproofing seal. It wouldn't be hard for Eufy to create this, and just by having this USB-C power connected, You can activate it from the app, and now you have a new feature that will be activated that allows you to do 24/7 continuous recording. This would make the S330 camera the perfect camera to get for almost everybody. My final verdict, the EufyCam S330 is an amazing 4K camera that will fit most people's needs. If you don't need 24/7 recording, this is the perfect camera to get. The solar panels on these cameras work great, and you don't have to worry about the camera running out of battery. These cameras are hassle-free, easy to set up, and deliver great video recording. That's it for this video. I hope you have found this video helpful and informative. If you guys did like this video, please drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you like tech or security related content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.